Hello, fellow sales and business professionals. Are you ready to take your business growth to the next level? Today, we'll be discussing the crucial role of emotional intelligence in sales and business growth. Emotional intelligence is an essential aspect of business that is unfortunately often overlooked. Studies have demonstrated that it is actually one of the most critical factors for achieving success in sales. Although many people may not realize it, emotional intelligence can have a significant impact on business growth. By developing emotional intelligence, individuals can improve their communication skills, build stronger relationships with clients and colleagues, and effectively navigate challenging situations. This, in turn, can lead to increased sales and greater overall success in the world of business. So, let's delve deeper into the topic and explore the ways in which emotional intelligence can make a real difference in the business world. Emotional intelligence plays an important role in sales as it involves the ability to understand and respond to the emotions of potential customers. In the context of sales, emotional intelligence refers to the capacity to recognize and manage one's own emotions while also understanding and influencing the emotions of others. This skill is critical in building strong relationships with customers and being able to effectively communicate and persuade them towards a purchase. By mastering emotional intelligence, sales professionals can better connect with customers on a deeper level, leading to increased loyalty, repeat business, and ultimately, greater success. The significance of emotional intelligence cannot be overstated, especially in the context of sales and business development. The findings of a study conducted by TalentSmart suggest that emotional intelligence is responsible for as much as 58% of success across various job functions, including sales. This implies that mastering emotional intelligence is crucial for sales professionals and businesses seeking growth. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of and managing one's own emotions, as well as understanding and influencing the emotions of others. Salespeople with high emotional intelligence are better equipped to understand the needs and motivations of their clients, build rapport, and foster long-term relationships. Therefore, developing emotional intelligence should be a top priority for anyone looking to excel in sales or business. To further illustrate this point, let's take a look at a case study. A sales team for a software company was struggling to close deals with potential customers. After conducting research and analyzing their sales process, they discovered that their approach was too aggressive and not focused on building relationships with customers. With this in mind, they implemented a new strategy that focused on building rapport with potential customers and understanding their needs. By leveraging emotional intelligence, the sales team was able to build a stronger relationship with customers, resulting in increased sales and business growth. Emotional intelligence has become an increasingly important factor in the world of sales and business growth. This case study highlights the significance of emotional intelligence in these fields, as it enables sales professionals to understand and manage their own emotions, as well as those of their customers. By doing so, sales professionals can form deeper connections with their customers, leading to long-lasting relationships and increased sales. Furthermore, emotional intelligence can aid in problem-solving and conflict resolution, which are essential skills in the world of business. Ultimately, mastering emotional intelligence can make a significant impact on a company's overall growth and success. Furthermore, research has also shown that emotional intelligence is positively correlated with effective leadership. A study conducted by the Center for Creative Leadership found that emotional intelligence was a better predictor of leadership success than IQ. This finding demonstrates that emotional intelligence is essential not just in sales but also in all aspects of business growth, including leadership. In conclusion, emotional intelligence plays a critical role in sales and business growth. By understanding and managing emotions, sales professionals can connect with customers on a deeper level and build lasting relationships that lead to increased sales and business growth. Moreover, it is worth mentioning that emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in effective leadership, which is imperative for the overall growth of any business. By placing a high value on emotional intelligence within sales and leadership, businesses can improve their chances of achieving unprecedented success. Leaders who possess emotional intelligence are better equipped to navigate complex situations, build strong relationships with their team members, and make informed decisions that positively impact the company's bottom line. Therefore, it is critical for businesses to prioritize and invest in developing emotional intelligence skills in their leaders and sales teams. Are you struggling to grow your business? Book a free consultation with us today and let our marketing experts help you take your business to the next level. With our proven strategies and tactics, we'll help you attract more customers, increase sales, and drive growth. Don't miss out. Schedule your free consultation now and start seeing results. So, let's make it our mission to prioritize emotional intelligence in our sales and business strategy. With the right approach, we can take our business growth to the next level and achieve greater success than ever before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.